how to join the Home Business Academy with Richard Hairston. Now, before I show you how to join the Home Business Academy, I want to share with you why I think you should join the Home Business Academy. And that is, if you are sick and tired of jumping from one affiliate program to the next, or you're sick and tired of affiliate program disappearing on you and disappearing with the money that they owe you, then the Home Business Academy is the place that you need to be, because the owners of this company, Mike and Paul, do things with integrity. Another reason why you should want to join the Home Business Academy is whenever they offer new products into the Home Business Academy app, they don't charge you for it. They don't raise the price to join, none of that stuff. Whatever it is, you are in, and that's it. Okay, if it's $35 to join, okay, it's $35 to join, and you earn 80% recurring commissions on each of the products that are in here. But here's the thing, they do not jack the price up whenever they add brand new tools. So let me share some of those tools with you in this video, and then you can be the judge on how, you know, if this is for you or not. Now, I'm going to talk about this before I do that. Here it is. They're coming out with a new tool this Tuesday night called Traffic Maestro. It's an AI-powered daily marketing system so you can stop learning and start earning. And it's going to be released Tuesday, May 26, 8 p.m. Eastern Time. And you don't want to miss this. This is another one of those tools that they are releasing, and they are not going to jack the price up on any of it, okay? They're not going to make us pay more for the membership, and they are not going to charge us for this tool, period. Okay, so understand that when in some other affiliate marketing products, they either jack the price up or they charge you for the tool. That is not the case with the Home Business Academy. Now, if I come down here, we just look at some of the comments about this new tool. I spy a major stroke of game changing genius coming our way, putting it on my calendar now. Exciting stuff. And then this right here, Keith says, I am so there, I can't wait. It's another game changer. I have never ever in my entire 30-year marketing life felt so good about promoting a vehicle, a tool, a system, never ever before. I don't think that's proper English, but I think you understand. And here's another thing that is more important than the whole statement, is all the people that will be set free to finally have success online. I personally want to thank all involved, Paul, Mike, Amy, and I'm sure there are many others. Thank you for your commitment and excellency. So that's people testimony about the systems, okay? And here are other people here as well. So this is what happened inside of the Home Business Academy, and I don't know of a lot of other affiliate programs that do this. So now let's look at some of the other tools that you're going to get, and these may be some other reasons that you want to join the Home Business Academy. One is you're going to get access to the Let's Goal app. Now, I'm not going to stay on this long, but the Let's Goal app is simply a goal for personal development. It's for helping you doing your daily morning routine, your daily routine, setting your goals. You can add quotes, journal, notes, all of that stuff over here, okay? You can have all of that stuff over here. Gratitude, meditate and pray. Let's go over a little bit more. Visualize, plan your day, journal, read, okay, exercise, and plenty more in here. You can hook up your Google Calendar. You can do a simple nutrition tracker. So you get all of that inside of the Home Business Academy. That is the Let's Goal app, okay? Another tool that you're going to get access is to the HBA funnel builder, okay? And if I open up the funnel builder here and just take you inside of it, what you're going to get, if I come over here to click on add a new funnel, and if I come down through here and click on add a new step page, you get all of these templates right here. You come over here, you see other templates right here as well. Templates all the way down through here that you can tap into with the Home Business Academy. Build unlimited funnels, okay? Because what I've did, you see all the domain name, you can add other domain name for different things that you're doing in here as well, okay? So it's real simple for you to use this. Simple, it's drag and drop, okay? There is training over here for that, okay? Setting up, training, and done for you funnels already done, but I'm going to share another done for you funnel that you're going to get. Now that's the Funnel Builder Academy. The next thing is premium. Under premium, okay, this is where you're going to get access to traffic and conversion training. Okay, not only that, you get access to premium tools, the Prompt Write AI. If we click on that, this is going to help you write your prompts and things like that. Let's go back to premium again. You get the image generator. This is where you can come in here and generate images, thumbnails, you know, for your YouTube video. You can see some of the ones over here that I have created. Okay, and they are all saved over here, so you can use this for doing your prompts. I mean your YouTube video thumbnails. The next tool is the Smart Post. Okay, there are other tools out there that post on social media for you, but this tool posts on all of the social media platforms that you have in here. And with these tools, you can do short form video under 60 seconds and post it out onto all of your social media account, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube Shorts, whatever it is that you're using. You're able to do that. You just upload your file. Here it tells you what it supports. All of that right here. You're able to see your post history, manage connection, and import from Instagram. So the next tool is the email Alchemist. Okay, this is a tool that's going to help you write emails built from 1,800 emails spanning 15 years. Okay, that you can put in here. You simply choose what you want to do. You start answering a few questions, and then it's going to put out an email for you. It's as simple as that. Okay, you also get access if you upgrade to them. Now, each one of these products are a different price. Okay, you can get the Financial Literacy Academy. Okay, all of this is going to help you. The money that you could earn with the Home Business Academy, this can help you make money by building assets outside of the internet marketing niche. Okay, so you have all of this over here. You have a Bank Beater Pro, something that's going to help you with your debt. Okay, financial literacy, reducing your taxes, all of that right there, Gorilla Money strategies, and financial tool calculator. So you get that as well. But when you join today, you're going to get access to the Let's Go, the Funnel Builder, and Premium, all for just $35. Okay, the Premium is going to be a 2 weeks free trial, and if you get in today, you're going to be able to get access to, okay, let me come back over here to social. You're going to be able to get access to the Traffic Maestro this coming Tuesday night, so you can play around with it and see if this is for you. But you need to go ahead on and get started today so you can see everything that you're going to get, so you can actually experience it. You have a 14-day free trial of Premium, but you have a 3-day money back guarantee on the Let's Go and the Funnel Builder. After 3 days, if you don't think it's for you, then hey, you can go ahead and quit. Okay, I wouldn't advise it, but you can. Another thing you're going to get access to is affiliate training over here as well. All of this training, but here's the thing: the purpose of Traffic Maestro is to keep you from having to do, okay, techie stuff, setting up funnels. The whole system is about you not setting up funnels, not sending out emails, not having to learn how to go out and get traffic, because we give you the tools to do that. As a matter of fact, one of the tools that they have is called the Fast Start Inviter. You get access to this up here. That is a tool over here under the affiliate training. Okay, you're going to have all of the training that you need. You're going to get started fast with this right here. You're going to have some marketing materials, all of this right here to help you out. Download the Inviter. Everything that you need is right there. Okay. The Turnkey system, you are going to have your very own special link, okay, that's going to have a done for you system ready to go out of the box. That's another reason why you should join the Home Business Academy. You're going to have a done for you turnkey marketing system out of the box. Let me show that to you. Let's come over here to affiliate links. I could go from here, but I want to show you all of the links, and you can just get your link by copying right there. But if I come over to affiliate links here, if I come down and I'm going to copy this, I'm going to come over here and I'm going to open up this page. Okay, I'm going to come back over here, the other affiliate links. I'm going to grab the triple residual income page. I'm going to copy the link. Going to come over here and open up a new tab. I'm going to paste that in. Okay. Now, you have some other links down here, and what you're going to give your people, okay, should they decide to join you or when they sign up in the email, is that you're going to give them this book. This is completely already done for you, and you simply have to come in here and share, get your link and start sharing it. You can set up a domain name, and they make that simple to do as well. But what you want to do is get your links, follow the fast start training, okay, that's in this video. So here's what you're going to get. You're going to get your own done for you opt-in page. Watch this. When someone opts into this page, they are going to, the Home Business Academy are going to send emails out on your behalf. Up to 10 to 11 emails, okay, on your behalf. You don't have to worry about sending out email. They have that covered for you. So when somebody puts in their name and their best email, it's going to take them to this page right here, okay? On this page right here, it explains everything, and the beauty about this is, okay, you see how much has been paid out. The beauty about this is, if you scroll down, this page is going to have your image on it right here, okay? So that the person will know that they are joining with you. You can get started today for only $35. This is what the person you share the link with are going to see as well. And as I said, if you keep coming down through here, there is a, see here, 3-day money back guarantee. You can try it, test it, use the tool, watch the training, see the platform, and if it's not everything we said, you get your money back within 3 days. No question asked, no games, no gimmick. Okay, so you're going to get access to a website just like this, branded with you on it as well. Guess what? Every email that they send out comes back to this site on your behalf, and whenever we have special trainings on Monday nights, they are going to email your people for you. Okay, but your people are also going to get this book right here, which is going to have your affiliate links tapped into it. Okay, so when somebody reads the book, if they want to click on a button or a link in here, it's going to come back to you. Now, I want to show you one more thing. Another thing that you're going to get. We used to have to go out and get Aweber, Get Response, Active Campaign, or an outside autoresponder. You do not have to do that any longer with the Home Business Academy, because let me come over here, and if I come down to the HBA mailer and open it up, you get your own autoresponder built right here in the system, okay, and it comes along with the package. There's no monthly fee for this. This is pay as you go, okay? You can purchase credits. You're going to get 300 credits right off the bat, okay, to use, but you can purchase credit. Here's the beauty of this. The email Alchemist is tied into this, that when you create an email inside of the Alchemist, it automatically pastes it right here for you. Okay, you're gonna have a contact CRM. Okay, if I click on it, go to list, well, come back, you're gonna be able to see all of your contacts here, all of the contacts that you have here. If I click on list, you'll be able to see all of the lists that you have in here. Okay, you're gonna have some pre-built lists as well already in here. You're going to have an autoresponder here where you can set up as many autoresponders as you want for any business that you want. Okay, that's totally up to you. You have forms here. With these forms, you can connect these forms to the funnel builder here by simply coming here. Let me see, by simply coming to here, going to application, webhooks, and you're going to put a link there and choose a new form, and you are done. Okay, it is now connected. You're going to come here and you're going to create a form that actually does that. So then of course you have your setting. So HBA has everything that you need in order to get started. I recommend that you click the button in the description below. Now, this is how you're going to get started. When you click the link in the description below, you're going to come to this page right here. Go ahead on, follow the steps, okay? Put in your name, your email, click the access button, come to this page right here and watch this video. Read this information if you want to. If you're just ready to get started, the only thing you have to do is scroll down through here, okay? Find the button where it says get started for $35. Click to get started, and it's going to pop out over here for you to get started. Premium, free for 14 days. Let's go is $10 a month. You earn $8 residual. The HBA funnel builder is $20 residual, $25 per month. You can view the details of each one here and just go down through here and follow the step. You're only getting started for $35 today. You're going to agree to the terms and the condition, 3-day money back guarantee. So you're going to get access to that. That is how you get started. Why? Because the Home Business Academy. Why should you get started? Because the Home Business Academy wants you to be successful. And when you tap into this, okay, when you tap into this, you're going to have access to this tool right here. You are going to have access to the premium tools over here to play with, to dig around with for 2 entire weeks, okay, before you have to pay the premium. Let's go funnel builder and premium. And if you decide to get the Financial Literacy Academy, you can get that as well. So to get started, click the link in the description. Once again, come to this page, fill out the information, click the button, come to this page over here. Okay, watch the video, watch the information, scroll down, click this button to get started. That's how you get started with the Home Business Academy. If you have any question, reach out to me. I'll be glad to answer any question that you have concerning the Home Business Academy. With that being said, click the link in the description. I want you to have a great day today and a better day tomorrow. Peace.